In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix echo in OBS Studio, specifically focusing on mic and audio echo issues. Echoes can be quite annoying, especially when you're trying to deliver a seamless streaming or recording experience. Fortunately, resolving these issues is simpler than you might think. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your OBS Studio app. If you're already familiar with OBS, you know it's a powerful tool for streaming and recording, but sometimes setting up audio can be a bit tricky. When you're ready, locate and click on the audio mixer, which is usually found at the bottom of the OBS interface. The audio mixer is where you control all audio inputs and outputs in OBS, and it's crucial to managing audio effectively. Next, you'll need to check your audio settings. Pay close attention to the sources listed in the audio mixer. These represent different audio inputs like your microphone, desktop audio, or any other audio devices you might be using. It's important here to identify which source is causing the echo. Is it your microphone, desktop audio, or maybe even both? To find this out, you can try muting each source one by one and then listening for the echo. If the echo stops when a particular source is muted, you've likely found the culprit. Once you've identified the problematic source, let's move on to adjusting its settings. If it's the microphone, one common cause of echo is having the mic source in more than one scene. Or it could be that the mic is picking up audio from your speakers. Ensure that your speakers are off or set the mic source to monitor and output to ensure feedback doesn't loop through. It's also worth checking if you've applied any filters that might inadvertently cause echoing, such as gain or noise suppression filters, by right-clicking on the audio source and selecting filters. Now, if the desktop audio is causing the echo, this can sometimes happen if audio output is being captured twice by both OBS and another program. To fix this, right-click the desktop audio source in the audio mixer and navigate to Properties. Make sure it's configured to Monitor Off to prevent the audio from looping back into OBS. Also, verify your system's sound settings outside of OBS to ensure there are no additional output devices enabled that might be looping sound feedback back into the setup. Once you've made these adjustments and you no longer hear the echo, it's crucial to run a test. Start a short recording or stream and play it back to ensure the audio is clear and echo-free. Remember, taking the time to get these settings right not only enhances your recording quality, but also improves the viewing and listening experience for your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any echo issues in OBS Studio quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.